Yes.
I wanted to know about the promotion. Like, how long does it take? Like, most of us here are like E3s. Like, what is the process when you are going to get promoted or something like that? What do you have to do?
Well, to get promoted in the Army, you're going to have time and service and time and grade requirements for each rank. And those change and fluctuate depending on how well the Army's doing as far as retention goes. So if a lot of, let's just say, if you're an E5 and you want to get promoted to E6, and a lot of the E6s are staying in or not getting promoted, then it's going to have to increase, your time or your points we call them.
To answer your question, with a waiver for specialists, it's 18 months.
18
Automatic is 24 months.
So that means you've got to be in the Army for 18 months before you're eligible to be promoted with a waiver, to E4. So 18 months from when you join, when you leave out of MEPS, you get to your reception battalion. 18 months from that point, you're eligible with the waiver to go to E4 to get promoted.
And this is what happens once you get to your first duty station and you're in your organization. Okay, the headquarters will push down a roster, a promotion roster or a C10. Okay, and they'll say, hey, all the different companies, you guys have 3 people that can get a waiver, right? So then the company commander and the first sergeant sit down and they have all their subordinate leadership come in and they say, hey, who's deserving of this waiver? I have 3 of them. And then I know the one that I have, Private Kip Dioptu, that is squared away and she's, doing college. She did excellent on her PT test and she won a Soldier of the Month board. And then there might be 3 other people just like me that had their people that they want to, possibly get promoted. And then what we do is we talk to the first sergeant and the commander, and we talk about why you're important, and they ultimately decide who's going to get those 3 promotions for the company. So if you are the best of the best and want to put yourself in that situation, you might be able to make rank a little bit early. Why wait the longest that you have to wait to get promoted? Ultimately, in 2 years from now, some of you all sitting right here in this room are going to be sergeants in the United States Army within the next 2 years.
Yep.
And when you do pin on sergeant, email me and tell me, hey, what a great process it was. Because you guys are going to be sergeants. Mark my word, I'm telling you.
And then once you get E4, then after that you have to go to a board. Like Sergeant Board had to go to a board to be an E5, and she had to recently go to a board to be selected to get on the promotable list to be a staff sergeant, E6. But you only send, again, once you become E4, there's no guarantee you'll be an E5. You've got to prove to your chain of command that you're worthy enough to be sent to a board.